Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Deltaco LED Smart Bulb and you need to do a hard reset on it to factory default settings. This particular bulb is an SH-LFE27A60S. You might want to do this for basically two different reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the bulb will not connect to Wi-Fi or will not sync with your device or will not pair with your device, or it's not responding to the app or anything like that, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step. The other reason is if you want to set this up in a new house or on a new Wi-Fi system, just clearing everything out is a good way to just get started fresh. It's real easy to do. So all you need to do is with the bulb turned off, you're going to do a cycle of on and offs. So you're going to go on, off, on, off, on, and on the third on, you will leave it on. And if you leave it on the third on of those swaps, that will initiate a hard reset to factory default settings on the bulb.